Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to register on Doha mobile banking app. If you want to check your balance, send money or pay bills from your phone, the video is for you. Let's get started. First, make sure you have this thing already, your Doha mobile ATM or debit card, you register mobile number or working internet. Now let's begin to register. First, open the App Store and download the Doha mobile bank and install for official mobile banking app. Open the Doha mobile app. On the first screen, tap register or new user register. Enter your detail, type your ATM or debit card number, your account number or QID if asked, and your registration mobile number. Make sure all the details are correct. Tap down, continue, a OTP code by SMS. After that, enter the OTP in app to verify your number. Then create your username and password. Choose a strong password that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Set a MPIN or security pin. The pin will use every time to log into the app. Once everything is done, tap submit or finish. You will see a confirmation message by your Doha mobile bank is successfully registered. Now here you can add your debit card, credit card, and you can check your mobile balance, transfer money, bill paid, and more. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.